Hey guys, so first of all, this is my outfit. I'm going to town. So this is my outfit. I'm going to town. It is currently lunchtime. It is 1:30 p.m. and I'm not wearing makeup because I'm going to town. It is hectic, crowded, and it is hot, so I don't want to look like a mad person. Already my hair looks like I don't care about it, yet I do. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to shop for my upcoming project, and which I'll keep you posted. It's a new project, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited about it. But keep on this channel, you'll be seeing what I'm planning. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't know whether I'm going to be vlogging because town, my phone I don't want to lose my phone, so I'll see what to do. But see you when I come back. Bye. So yesterday I came back, but I didn't record because I had a visitor and I was so tired, so I didn't. So today we are making our daddies. I'm baking today, and this is where I'm going to put them before I pack them. And yeah, so they are here. Today I've done one packet, and I decided to chop them before I start doing what, flying them. And yeah, they're like this, and I'll show you the results. I hope you're excited by me. So I bought some packaging, and yeah, there are many. Actually, there are many. It's a lot here, only that you can't determine how much it is here. But yeah, I have nice daddies, and I'm so proud of that. So this is my second time. The first time I baked them, okay, it's not my first time to bake them. I've been doing it at school, during school, when we were going back to school, and many times. So I'm so good at them. I know how to make good daddies. But this time, last month I made, but they were just for my tea, coffee, and all that for home. But here there is someone who there are some people who need them because they tasted them and they were so obsessed with them. So I'm making them, and I'm going to pack them, and they're going to buy them. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing.